contacted some of my good friends so we can come and do some food together. I have my good friend here, Vanessa, Chaudière Creole, of 2305.
That's right.
So if you guys are in Jersey, and you can even ship out of town too, right?
Yes.
Yes.
I do.
So y'all want some good Haitian pate. Not the patties with the little teeny piece of meat in it, but pate with good meat, good flavorful, flaky dough. This is the person to contact.
That's right.
Oven 305 or Chaudière Creole.
Yep, oven 350.
350, sorry.
Yes,
not 305. Sorry.
It's fine.
Miami.
Yeah, 305 à la tête libre.
Oui, 305 à la tête libre. So, what we got going on here, I have this beautiful Atlantic salmon. Beautiful Atlantic salmon, whole salmon. We're about to scale, season, and roast in the oven. Oh, call me IG Thought. So this is what we got going on today. So it's gonna be a beautiful. Shout out to my boy Digby, Chef Digby for St. Croix for the apron. You know, you guys want to get this beautiful apron from St. Croix. You can go to Brata, X what? Something X. But it's Brata X. Right? So, we got this Ricardo Constant, my brother. One of the best photographers out there. Yes. How you doing, my brother? So, like I said, I have this beautiful salmon here. So right now, we're taking the scales off. So this is gonna be a labor of love because it's a big fish, and we don't eat. In the Asian community, we don't eat scales. So
that's right.
En créole, nous le cal poisson. Right?
Yeah, I like.
Get sous live là.
Get sous live là.
Monsieur paie un poisson.
Poisson gros. We have Chef Lemaire here. We have Chef Ted Calibobis here. You see, my husband got a whole production. We're taking Chef Lemaire back to, what is it?
Cutthroat.
To Cutthroat. Eva is amazed.
C'est poisson gros.
Ah, gros poisson. Ben, doit faire bagage le dire à la net. Del bagage doit faire la poisson ça. Get a different name. I'm here to hate. Go ahead, Gret. We're coming to you soon. Are they?
Hey.
Monter sous la jatou.
Yes, sir.
Me.
Ou même au soulage à tout. Yo, listen. And
We are here in South Jersey.
People wonder why we charge what we charge, right?
With my man, Chef Lemaire.
That's a lot of work.
A lot of work.
Chef Vanessa. Fompatea.
I got a new name. That's right.
If you guys need some wonderful flaky meaty patty
right.
in South Jersey,
Yeah.
here's the girl to contact. Oven 350.
Yes.
Fompatea. Lolo, ¿cómo era? Junior. Il y a longtemps que je monté sur live là.
Fais-moi le connaître que on dimanche, rete on dimanche.
Ah, mais
Oui, mais ça sont à chaque week-end.
Oui.
Oui.
Nous avons saumon là. Chef là, nettoyé.
Yes, I'm so blessed. I have two chefs in my kitchen.
Lolo, quand moun ça?
Inspired. Of course she does.
We got some fresh salmon. Décalé poisson. We got the steak here.
Oh yeah, I'm getting to it soon. Actually, let me get to it. To the steak.
Monsieur paie manger poisson. Man bouki ça. Et là souhaite un petit bouki.
Allez mal.
Mbaba lo mal, non bodeur.
Allez mal.
So how you gonna cook this salmon, sir?
Whole. We're gonna cook it whole.
Whole
We're
salmon.
gonna season it and roast it under the oven. I'm still debating if I want to.
Ah, on m'a dit d'abord paie poisson, bodeur.
I'm trying to avoid for the scales to go all over the place.
I know where we go.
La bi fè kay moun yo senti poisson, senti cuit. Alright, so we're gonna flip it now. Moun yo dezi mpè mwen poisson yo.
So an nou di ça.
Manti. Eli pou da di sa avou.
So an nou paie poisson, bodeur.
On re ken li.
You know, it's a whole salmon. I think it was what, 5-pounder?
This?
Yeah,
No, this was
Has to be
more.
than 5.
This was 13 pounds.
13-pounder. Whole salmon. Everybody, for the people that's always, you know, eat salmon, don't know what it looks like. That's what salmon look like in whole. Because people buy it fillet. This is what the salmon look like, guys. So Restaurant Depot don't sell them, you know, already pre-scaled. So you have to remove the scale of the fish. Hey, job cimetière.
Maman, Alex on fon kou?
Oh, mga fon kou nan, min pren lave men, a min fere sa pou.
Ils font kou. I had to take a break. I got Alex now taking over. Alex taking over doing the second part. Because listen, this whole fish is a whole labor. Ababasa kunya. Alex scaling.
Epi, wè travay nou? Lò charge yo, oh, pouti poisson sa. There's work to it. And sometimes you have to use the tip of the knife to remove the small scale. Because there's so very little.
Amore.
I love jazz. Right?
Jazz, italiano.
Oui.
Italien.
Oui. Saumon lié. Saumon entier. Oh, how could you cooking some salmon right now? Yes. A steak qui va le fait là. You got short ribs, flaking style short ribs. That we're about to do. We're using some cast iron to sear them. We got a fresh herbs that we're about to use. No powder.
Powder boy ici. Pas de Maggi boy ici.
Et Maggi, s'il vous plaît. Yes. Poisson a pris un bel bain là. Bien toujours. And down the middle. What travail Jésus mon pour faire? Yo, scaling it, especially this big one, is such a pain, bro.
It's not like it's those hard scales.
The scales are soft.
They soft.
So they stick to the skin.
You see? As you can see, even you still have to go through it.
That's the harder scale, right?
They soft.
Yeah, they soft.
Very soft. And you don't have to do it with a knife. They sell those peelers. It's like a brush. Yeah. You can get it from Amazon to scale fish.
That's another thing you can do too, Alain. Have an Amazon shop. So you can
I actually do. I just haven't added anything to it.
Amazon is a devil.
No, but you know they got the influencer thing.
Okay.
Where you can add stuff that you
So
normally
that
buy
just said right now? You
and then
just said
people
that
can go buy it.
No,
Real.
I'm just trying to get it, but I don't have enough.
I don't have enough followers to do it. I'm trying to get it. You
See?
denied me.
Still scale.
Yo, but I haven't used it yet.
You should.
So, m'tou di nou sa la kounya. My Amazon shop coming soon.
That's right.
Sir.
So y'all can go buy all the stuff that I like to buy on Amazon.
The gadget.
Your little gadgets.
But even right here, still scale. For my Haitian people, you know what I'm talking about.
They call my boisson.
I mange a boisson cal.
Okay, mon bagay. Let me take back. Alright. We're going good. Qu'est-ce que je vais faire la vidéo là? Oh, saludos, Victor, de Venezuela. Yeah, I don't have the brush.
We're doing what we can
But
with that one.
I didn't. Well, I'm traveling too, so that's why. But taking over for the last steps.
Fresh time. Ça veut les persil, hein? I mean, thing. Il va persil. Thing.
Everybody gonna hit me for this, what I do.
She's about to do her steak Haitian style.
That's right.
And she got to lave it. I don't know why. But she still lave the meat. I don't know why.
Yes, I know. It's okay.
Why you lave it?
I don't know. I don't know who touched it. So, but I pat it down though. You see, I pat it down, right? So I get all that excess water because when I put it in a casting iron, it va faire de l'eau.
Okay.
So that will fed l'eau. So we're gonna. That's the reason why I'm patting it down with paper towel.
You got it? From Patea. She patted down with a paper towel to remove the excess water
Yep.
from the meat. Some rosemary out here too.
Get my casting iron ready. If I can have
From
a paper
Patea,
towel,
Chef Lemaire
can I have a paper towel?
in the building. Ouais, Manje vin manger, ouais. Manje vin manger. Anika, we remove the excess water, so when you put your seasoning on it, so it can coat it and stick well, because water is the enemy when it comes to meat.
Meat, it's gonna.
You don't want the meat to be dried out.
It's gonna be dried out, yeah. So you take the water out. You got it?
This is some beef ribs. Mackenzie, Agela, Anika, ça va faire chouchou. Papa dit. Oh. Didine dit oui la ville. Pourquoi sont la ville là, Didine? Expliquez-moi, pourquoi sont la ville?
I'm one of those Haitians.
Ah, c'est mon daï, oui. Chaminou, comment est la chouchou? Kael, Rose. Et mes caméramans là là. Elle cheveux dans tête nègre là. Non, mes cheveux, mon cher. Mes cheveux. Non, il fait surgery et tout. Là, j'en ai pour faire cheveux par pour ça encore.
Bon détail cheveux.
He's removing the gills from the fish. You know, you don't want to cook it with that.
Absolutely not.
And yes, he's about to cook this fish in whole. Kakou dit to remove the bacteria from the meat. C'est ça pour la ville.
Alain had a whole lot
Non,
of
Kakou,
that's why I
c'est
said,
pour
I
Haïti,
don't
chérie. C'est pour Haïti.
Right?
Les meat nous fait toute journée en chita dans la rien. Mouche a passé sous lui, poussière. Moun a parlé sous lui. That's you know, that's
But you know
different.
what? The heat does kill the bacteria.
But in the US, you don't have to do that, hon.
No. No, I don't know that. Okay, so meat tenderizer.
That's the gills. You gotta remove
C'est ça
that.
qui permet de poisson respirer en bas de l'eau.
No, that's the fish lungs.
You never seen that anymore? I don't listen. Wow.
Already, chef Lemaire, il fait surgery too.
Oui. Oui. As a chef, you have to be a surgeon. You see this? Whole. Bâton chocolat.
So let me ask, nobody eats that, right?
No.
No. That
Well,
nègre
not,
là,
that, not that I know of.
Ça fait poisson senti.
nègre là, straight là.
That's amazing, right, Ava?
Et bah, ça qui fait poisson senti du, faut retirer yo.
That fish about to be bomb already, you know?
Nous live là in South Jersey. And yes, we travel as a chef, you know. No matter where it's at, you know, plan your event, you know, we there. Nous tout côté. C'est là bas ten bali.
Et là encore, depuis qu'il n'y a pas de faire,
Et si il y a un contrat pour un bâton, après aller tout, oui.
You're a mess.
Wè kon dek la swè mes ami, gade, wè de boulet.
Oy, ba, ale ma boti papi.
Oh, keep it.
Alain and his life.
Oh,
Yeah.
M sou 2. He's removing that backbone, that bone that hold the fish together.
I never seen that.
Sin dat di colonne vertébrale li yo sa?
Yeah, you got it.
I seen it on the
Colonne vertébrale poisson.
Colonne qui bat, chérie.
Ou yani kam gebe 2 téléphones chéri. Men nou.
The garlic? I have no clue.
Man.
Il faut entrer en deux poissons pour bien épicer. Let me get the trash can.
Chef la ap swè la.
I'm going over this. Kote,
Number one rule when you're working in the kitchen, clean as you go.
That's right.
You tande, clean as you go.
Mba fin fè manje ala,
E lè so pa la ou ekip asyet, ou ekip chodye.
daye isit, a gen bon.
That's it. We fed it up.
Se sos sou son milyonè ou gen bon. A gen moun kap netwaye de do.
Ki bon wap pale? Bon te? Wap di ki realite bon? Mwen gen moun ap di, se bon te?
That's your phone? The phone is charged?
Yes, it is big.
Alright,
Eva
so
has it.
I have to, I love cleaning as I go
Hold on.
because before I jump into a next step, so my kitchen can stay clean and organized. And it gives you a great habit also so that if you ever end up working in a professional kitchen, you already have
The
that
good
habit,
habits. Yes.
right? Because there's nothing more disgusting than a dirty kitchen. Même si le prend du temps, even if it's like taking me extra time, that's why you need to plan accordingly. You plan to give yourself time to do whatever you need to do.
And then you just tell them put that on your Amazon too. This is a good tool. I'm sure like that. You like.
Oh, kon kesyon chef la, eske on neg oblige chov pou l chef? Ay! Amwe!
Kon sa passe se stress la, oui, stress chef la, oui, tu es cheve. Et pas oblige, non? Ou ka commencer avec plein cheve, puis c'est retour, on commence chauve, oui. But no, I know it's a joke, but yeah, man. I do know a lot of chefs who are bald. I do.
Chef lo yon tèt kale?
Chef Mark Alex, tête calée.
Oui, m tèt kale.
Okay, all right. So, Kunya, we're gonna season this.
You're about to season the salmon.
On va commencer. Le steak là, the short ribs.
Yeah.
Mette pisan la, epis haïtien la. Bon bagay. Tout an dan poisson. Bon, yo di nek tèt kale ou fè manje pi bien, so...
Bon, ça c'est notre bagage. Oui.
Excuse, moun ki pa tèt kale yo, excuse, e la fant nou.
Bon, le paquet.
Bon Dieu, retire li beni, retire cheve nou, el beni nou.
Bon, le paquet, please.
Bon ça?
Ten.
Alex.
Hein? Bon petit goûter?
Ça veut dire, nèg qui besoin quand nous apprendre manger, yo, m'a dit nous al couper cheveux nous non, pour nous venir tête calé tout. Oui, c'est moi, chef Alex, dans le background là, moi qui parle en pile là, comme ça.
Qu'est-ce que tu dis ça? Qu'est-ce que tu me dis ça?
Non, il y a besoin de qu'est-ce qui parle comme ça. Montrez yo. Chef Lemaire live. Got his zeb. We cook with fresh herbs around here.
Attention.
Rico, nous juste South Jersey là, petit.
Qu'est-ce que tu me dis ça?
She's FaceTiming. Maggie, we're about to do live. What's the problem? My bad. Yeah. Alright, bye. You know the one Instagram? Okay, then do it.
We got fresh garlic, parsley, thyme, piment.
Okay. Let me get that. Let me grab that deal.
En créole, nous avons dit qu'on l'inquiète. Allô, poisson.
Alex, come back.
You got it? I got mine.
We got Chef Vanessa out here. She's still doing her thing.
About to sear the steak.
Pan sear the steak.
Yep.
Searing mean you just fait prend couler en créole from side to side. It's to capture the natural juice of the meat and so it can stay inside, so it can stay juicy.
And then this is a trick. Sorry, this is a trick Alain showed me. Kind of put the herbs there so it can have the flavor in. The flavor could come in. Right, Alain?
Yes.
I'm a good student.
And while the meat is cooking, you never poke it. Ou pas fouiller, ou pas piquer viande là.
Piqué bagay la.
Et sous piquer, tout jus viande là sauter en dedans li.
Sorry.
Non, poisson beaucoup cuit, non? Il pral cuit. So we're gonna sear this steak. This is on beef ribs. We're gonna sear it for 2 minutes each side. We got some rosemary, thyme, garlic. Ah, nek ki mbe faire manger pour madame yo. M'souhaite nous sous live ça. A tout apprendre oui. We back to Chef Lemaire. La coupe li. Couteau à filer oui.
Epice coming soon, parce que je dis
Yes.
Please coming soon. Sous chaudière créole. Épice coming soon. Si on moun ou besoin pâté ou besoin épice, you in Jersey?
That's right.
This is my girl right here. Oven 350.
Yep.
Poisson belge.
Poisson est pas belle libère simplement. Nou ba yon salt bay boy ici lan. Nou gen Haitian bay. Li lage sel li différent là. Mais comment lage sel là? Li ba li. Là, gade. Ah, Will filangue poisson. Filangue. Gade. Gade nou lage sel là encore. Ba gen salt bay là. Nou gen Haitian bay boy ici. Light skin Drake. A Haitian Drake. No. Drake c'est Canadien, mais il y a Haitian Drake nous boy ici, you know. Et bah champagne papi, non? Et couronne papi gen boy ici, non? Couronne papi.
Prends 2 paquets scallion.
Okay.
L'agneau. The deal.
The deal?
Garlic.
Okay.
Ah! Bon nèg qui dit si nèg yo ban faire manger pour madame yo, blodeur a fait manger pour madame. Nous mêlé. Oh, vous ban faire manger? Bon madame mon chef.
Piment. Pèse ça.
I'll show you my trick I know.
So, chef Lemaire, on pose une question. Sous combien on va le cuit de poisson ça? À combien de degrés on va le mettre en bas four?
350.
350 guys. Pour combien de temps? Oven 350 again. Pour combien de temps?
It might take at least 45 minutes to an hour.
45 minutes to 1 hour. And make sure you preset your oven, guys, to 350. If I look at it, that's when you turn on your oven.
Yeah, viens passer misère.
Viens pas passer misère, pas cuit.
La bouillie.
Bouillie c'est Jodi an nous parlons tasso, nous parlons griot.
No.
So what he's doing right here called a natural rack. A natural rack mean li pral mette poisson chita sous li. So all the
en bas poisson pas bouler.
en bas poisson pas bouler et tout du poisson and with the comment on dit scent herbs yo a infusé en dedans poisson. We got scallion, dills, garlic, piment.
Eh, moun ki pa konnen poisson gen dans tout dans.
Poisson gen dans tout, oui. Ouais. Poisson gen dans. We back here on the steak. Oui. Bah, comme on dit nous, je dis, pas venir faire manger, ouais, manger, ouais. Oh, à la baille là, Alain. Oh, mes amis, les singles, oui, chef là. Oui, ma fond. Ma fait glambouli. Tessie Dallas, how you doing? Trinity Inspired, come on, yeah. How you doing? We live in South Jersey. Comment mettre poisson, chef Lemaire? En diagonale ou bien Jean lié à comme ça la prêter?
Diagonale, c'est ça.
En diagonale. Amen, oui. Ah, non poisson. Oiseau. Non, bon cœur, on a dit, ton est Chris Boulette, moi. Et le bon chef qui a fait des gars derrière là.
Four. Come help me, real quick.
Help me.
Everybody busy.
Fresh, whole salmon.
Two drops on. Help me out with it.
For the people that want to know what a salmon look like, because they always buy it fillet. This is a whole Atlantic salmon.
And then people can see that how long it took us to prep this. So to tell you how much work goes in.
Hey Chef Lovely, how you doing?
Knock it off.
Fafoun, ça qu'a fait. Queen Lud, 509, ça qu'a fait chouchou.
No, because we lay live.
Who got with it live? Oh, wow.
And I'm not doing because I can for your Amazon thing.
Mon yo tellement fancy, yo roule lai boy ici là pour caler lai là. Regardez. Yo roule lai là. Blanc fait toute bagaille. Qui moun?
Oh, j'ai pas tout fait.
Dilvini.
J'ai des poissons.
For the people that hate peeling garlic, they sell this little gadget on Amazon. Give me a clove of garlic. Oh, Chef Alain will drop the link.
Yeah, so let me show
She'll give you a little tour how to do it. You put a clove of garlic in there. Oulil. Deja lil.
That's it.
I mean, we easy.
Easy.
Thank you, Chef. Appreciate you. Regarde, bien manger jeudi, hein. Now he's adding some fresh lime. Lemon, sorry. Fresh lemon. To get the citrus flavor. Non, Chef Lemaire gon enjoy depuis 1800. Et ça fait une bagarre bien, hein?
Really? Monsieur fréquent, nettoyer lens là. Non, si me nettoyer lié.
Excusez-moi.
Li gon écran mais il va nettoyer écran, il a parlé mal.
Oh.
Ça dit non c'est dans mon téléphone là. On va garder comme ça ba.
Monsieur pour mon téléphone tout sale, qu'on y a la parlé mal.
Enjoy.
Li bon mon téléphone tout sale, qu'on y a moins la parler mal. Nous qu'on y a Fusion Creole. Il y a deux téléphones là même.
All right. So, salmon is seasoned, ready to go in the oven So if you didn't see, we use some Haitian épices. If you don't know what Haitian épices consists of, the basics are garlic, thyme, scallions, parsley, Scotch bonnet pepper. You can use some vinegar or lemon juice or olive oil, or you can mix all of them together. Ou bien orange surtout, or sour orange also. Fusion Creole, love you too, boo. So we seasoned the salmon with that. We also added some parsley inside of it, some scallion, thyme, dill, whole garlic, some habanero peppers, and we scored them on the outsides. We gutted the fish. We took out the gills. We took out the guts. We took out some of the backbone so we can spread it out widely and stuff it. And now we have the oven 350, no pun intended. Yeah, you know, there's 3 entities right now in the building. We got, I'm gonna post it for you, oven 350 at, can we say chef Tête Calais? Oui. Yeah, Chef Tête Calais in the building. And we got your boy Chef Lemaire in the house. So we all 3 of us decided to get together this weekend.
Chef Lemaire, menouin.
Qui te nek vive.
Ça comment elle a dit?
Oui.
Qui te nek vive, même qui te nek vive.
Bon, vive le carrel plus bien. Oui. Qui te nek vive, chérie. Oui. So now, bon jambouille le dimanche. On dimanche pas en jouet.
On dimanche pas en jouet.
Ok, on dimanche pas en jouet. On chef pas en jouet. On dimanche, rete on dimanche.
Chef
So,
what's going on?
Pour qu'à fouiller bah une Bon, now let's cross our fingers that it will fit in, right?
Should I tell me fit one? But I don't fit.
Qui a trop long.
Pas couper créa.
The tail of the fish is a little bit too long.
Comment c'est non?
Oui.
Bon couteau. Ou ballon couteau non?
Got a shear. So he have to cut a little bit out of it.
Unfortunately.
Bâton.
Mais de la somme. Ah, ben oui.
N'a vibe là, joujou. En grand gens et en nombre.
Ok,
Oui.
un moment, ok?
De la somme. Oui, excuse. On va faire des tactiques là.
Man, come on.
You put the name on, then once you press enter, you just tap it and you can say pin coming.
Oh, okay.
What are the scores?
See what shit?
Yeah, I'm serious.
On tem um baco de dinheiro.
Mas eu dei que lá, né?
Actually, when I got there on the bottom of it, about over here. Eva, you're gonna have to take over. Come here. Real quick. You remember?
Ai, que legal.
Vamos, tentar servir.
Bom, já servi?
Oui, nous manger déjà, chef Taël. Nous te gen brunch qu'on y a. C'est dîner on a préparé là. So we try to pin the salmon from the bottom belly so it can stay closed
I love it. On a dit.
I'm moving for
Yes, sir.
Oh, Chef Lemaire, Chef Style dit hello.